Lacrosse ball mid-back release. Start while lying on your back with both feet flat on the floor. Place a pillow under your head for more comfort. Now that's a pro tip. Lift your left arm and place the ball just below the shoulder blades on the left side of your spine. Using just your body weight, apply gentle pressure to the ball as you relax your arms. Slowly relax your knees, lowering your feet to the ground and making sure to exhale at any discomfort. If you find any tender spots, stay there for about 30 seconds while focusing on the exhale of your breath, allowing the muscles to relax around the ball. Before moving on, slowly lift your left arm above your head and then to your side and then down, making sure to breathe as you go. For full dynamic pressure, bring both feet towards your butt until your feet are flat on the floor. Then slowly raise your butt off the ground and exhale as it gets tough. Before moving on from here, you can gently lower and raise your butt off the ground, as well as rocking your knees to the left and then slowly rocking them to the right. After just a few breaths, you should start to feel your mid-back start to relax with less pressure. When you're done, gently lower your butt back to the ground, work the ball around the mid-back, avoiding any pressure on any bones. Move at about 1 inch every few seconds while trying to relax the muscles. Then, repeat on the other side.